and welcome back to the October Target Beauty Box unboxing. There was actually 2 boxes for October. There was the normal one, and there's also a men's one. I will unbox that too. Also for November, there seems to be 2 boxes, although it seems to be a normal one and one for curly hair, which is kind of intriguing. I'll probably pick those up next after I get a few more Etsy payments in, but let's see what's in this one. I love the box art. This is so freaking cute. We all know I love fall the best, so this just, between this and last month's before this, I'm in love with the boxes. But this one is like thicker and deeper, I think. So, where did my phone go? I heard another ding. I heard another ding. No, I didn't. It was delayed. Okay, so let's open it up. So the first thing, oh, I think there's more in this one. Maybe they made up for the September one sucking so bad. Your Autumn It Kit. Change is good, and for us, the start of a new season means it's time to revamp our collection with beauty go-tos that'll leave us feeling great and looking even better. To help you fall into autumn on the right foot, we rounded up the IT products we keep in our kit at all times so you can too. And then the usual, try them out, and if you love them as much as we do, find full-size versions at target.com/beautybox, and then the hashtags to use on social media. So there is like a bunch more stuff in this one, so yay! Okay, so let me grab the one thing that's on top. So this is from Finland, Arctic Luminescence Lumine Intense Hydration 24-Hour Moisturizer for all skin types. Oh wow, and it's like in Finnish on the back. Check that out, that's awesome! I can't read it, but I mean, it's awesome. I think it's the same stuff that's on the side in English, so. Formulated without parabens and formaldehyde donors. Formaldehyde donors? That brings to mind a very bad mental image of dead bodies with formaldehyde. Please tell me that's not what you mean by donors. Okay, so Intense Hydration 24-Hour Moisturizer. Formulated with ingredients such as pure Arctic spring water and potent birch sap, this formula helps to supercharge your skin with the sensation of 24 hours of deep hydration. Directions. Apply to face and neck after cleansing. Warnings. For external use only. Avoid contact with eyes. If the irritation develops, discontinue use. Well, no kidding. Clinical test of 27 women. Okay, so what's it say here? Lumine Nordic Hydra 24-Hour Moisturizer. Lightweight cream with replenishing ingredients and Hydra technology promotes a healthy-looking complexion and provides continuous hydration from the very first application. Tip for the best effect, apply to face and neck after thoroughly cleansing. Well, that's basically what the box said. That's okay. No cute tissue paper color this time, it's just beige, but that's alright. So the next thing in here, oh, this is so itty-bitty! Oh, it's so little and cute! Look how tiny that is. That one was a for sure ding. Let me see what's going on. I know I heard it that time. Okay, let me just... Alright. There. So this itty-bitty little sample-sized tube that I can't read the back of because it has a sticker over it, but it's number 7 Laboratories Line-Correcting Booster Serum. Yeah, that guy right there could definitely use some of that. So, let's see what it says. Number 7 Labs Line-Correcting Booster Serum. Clinically proven targeted booster serum is specifically formulated with powerful anti-wrinkle peptide technology, reduces the appearance of deep, stubborn lines in just 1 week. That'd be great. Trick. For an extra boost, mix into your daily moisturizer, eye cream, or foundation to supercharge your products with line-smoothing power. Sure enough. Okay, that seems okay. So there's that. I wish it were a bigger thing of it, but I'm sure it doesn't come cheap, so the fact that they sent me any is good. Ooh, what do we got? I like how much we've got for the skincare this time, like, no joke. I can definitely use these this part of the year. Vaseline Clinical Care Extremely Dry Skin Rescue Healing Moisture Lotion with Barrier Repair Complex. Transforms skin from very dry to healed in 5 days. I use that on my elbows, because oh my god. Hypoallergenic, suitable for sensitive skin, and fragrance-free. I might buy, like, the full size of this if it works well. Okay. cosmetic product for moisturization. Well, no shit. It's a non-recyclable plastic tube, however, just be forewarned. So let's see, what's it say? Vaseline Extremely Dry Skin Rescue. Rich formula delivers prescription-strength moisturization to dry patches, leaving skin soft, smooth, and supple. Again, if it works, very well might end up buying the full size of that one. Then we have more toothpaste, but I mean, hey, we can always use toothpaste. Toothpaste is great. So we've got the Crest 3D White. I think they've sent this one before. 3D White Fluoride Anti-Cavity Toothpaste with 24-hour stain protection, our most advanced whitening technology, brilliance plus advanced stain protection in vibrant peppermint, enamel safe whitening, which is good because my usual toothpaste I use is trying to rebuild the damn enamel, so I mean, you know, let's not break it down with the whitening stuff. Sodium fluoride is your active ingredient, so if you're avoiding that, then don't use this. Crest 3D White Brilliance Toothpaste. Illuminating complex leaves teeth dazzlingly white and brilliantly clean by removing up to 95% of surface stains in just 3 days. Huh. Okay. Let's see, what are these? We've got some Head and Shoulders stuff here. We've got a shampoo and a conditioner with royal oils. Oh, that's fun to say. Coconut oil cleans and hydrates hair and scalp with long-lasting scalp relief. How funny, since, you know, I just freaking posted that Salsa Blue exposed video, and Head and Shoulders is what I've switched to since then. I'm still kind of playing around with their products, trying to find something that works for me as well as the Selsun had, but I mean, so this is great when they send me samples, because it means I don't have to buy them to try them and see if they work for me or not. So this says, Head and Shoulders Royal Oils Moisture Boost Shampoo. Balanced, moisturized formula provides long-lasting relief from scalp dryness and itchiness while giving hair a boost of hydration. Now, these look tiny, but actually they last a surprising amount of time. And even with long hair like mine, what I do here is that I only use like a little bit for my actual scalp. And then I'll use the conditioner down on the rest of it, since it's less drying that way, plus your products go further that way, and it doesn't oily up your scalp and stuff, and just, you know, pro tip to make your products go a little further, especially when they're sample sizes. Just thought you might want to know that. Then we have, what is this? Ooh, fun, fun, fun. I don't know if I can figure out how to wear them, but if I can, ooh. This is by Ardell Faux Mink, luxurious lightweight with knot-free Invisiband. Yeah, they're not joking. I see no band on those. That is crazy, but I'm like terrified of ripping them. I hope I don't rip them though, because they're really pretty. I want Liza lashes, and I mean, I can have them if I can figure out how to put them on. 3-step application. Check the fit. Align the band with natural lash line to check the fit. Trim excess if necessary. Apply adhesive. Apply a thin line of adhesive along the band. Wait 30 seconds to set. Ah, I need adhesive. Any recommendations, guys, especially for sensitive eyes, that actually stays put? Let me know. Apply the lashes. Secure the lash band by pressing onto the lash line. Okay, so what do we say about it? Ardell Faux Mink Lashes. Ultra soft lashes are lightweight, full of volume, and create an effortlessly glamorous look in an instant. How to apply. Dot a thin layer of glue along the strip, then wait a few seconds for it to get tacky before pressing onto your lash line. Bonus, top with a coat of mascara for extra oomph. No kidding, that's what you would do with any false lashes. And then, is this a thing? Or, ooh, what do we have here? These are 2 different ones. L'Oreal Paris New Colorista Hair Makeup. They're just like little ones, but looks like they have one for brunettes, one for blondes, for tips and strands. One's for blondes and highlighted hair. It's not recommended. Poor visible result on brunette for this one, so I'll probably give this one to Kimmy, see if she wants it. But I'll try and use this one. Oh my gosh, what's with all the dinging? What is happening? What is happening? Hold on. I'm so slow at typing, I'm so sorry. Okay. So, detangle, clean, dry hair, place a towel around shoulders, protect clothing. Hair makeup may look more vibrant in the tube than it does on hair. Well, no kidding. I'm still bummed that the more red one is for the blondes, and this one's more pinky for the brunettes. They're showing how to do, like, strips of it. 1 day color, though. No gloves, no damage, no commitment, available in 13 shades. I'd be interested to see what the other shades are, but I bet you most of them are for either highlighted or blonde hair, sadly. But it says... Where is it? L'Oreal Paris Colorista Hair Makeup. Hot pink and raspberry. Oh, that's supposed to be hot pink. It looks red. Gentle temporary formula gives hair an instant pop of color for a fun and festive look that's sure to turn heads. Psst, just rinse with shampoo and the color will effortlessly wash out. Okay, so anyways, that is it for what's in this box. It is better than last month's. My nose is itchy, sorry. So anyways, that is all. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this. If you did, go ahead and give this video a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below about what was your favorite thing in this box, or just anything about anything. Let me know, as well as anything else. So anyway, make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Etsy, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, get your name on the end card for a month and get some of those donator perks at the end of every video, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. And in case nobody's told you today and you need to hear it, I love you and I am so proud of you. Anyway, guys, till next time, bye-bye.